In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step authentication in Xero. Setting up two-step authentication is a crucial measure to safeguard your account from unauthorized access, adding an extra layer of security beyond just your password. So, let's dive right in and walk through this important process together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the top right corner of your Xero dashboard. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Account to proceed to your account settings. Once you're in your account settings, you should be able to spot the option for multi-factor authentication. This feature is central to setting up two-step authentication, so look out for it carefully. You're going to want to click on Set Up, which will guide you through the setup process. Now, at this point, you'll need to decide how you want to authenticate your identity each time you log in. Xero offers their very own app called Xero Verify that you can use for this purpose. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with Xero and provides a convenient and secure way to authenticate your login. Alternatively, if you're already using a third-party authentication app that you're comfortable with, like Google Authenticator or another similar service, you're free to choose that instead. These apps generate a code that you'll input along with your password to confirm your identity, adding a significant layer of security. Having chosen your preferred method of authentication, you'll now proceed with the setup process. Follow the instructions presented on the screen carefully, as they will guide you on how to pair your chosen app with your Xero account. This might involve scanning a QR code provided by Xero using your Authentication app, which is a standard step in this process. Once you've completed these steps, you will be required to test the setup to ensure everything is working correctly. You'll typically be asked to enter a code generated by your Authentication app to verify that everything's been set up properly. This step is crucial because it confirms that you'll be able to receive authentication codes successfully in the future, thus ensuring that your account remains accessible to you and only you. And there you have it. It's as straightforward as that. By enabling two-step authentication in Xero, you've added an essential layer of security to protect your personal and financial information from potential threats. Remember, taking these few simple steps can make a big difference in how secure your account is, giving you peace of mind. If you encounter any issues or have any further questions, Xero's support team is always available to help out. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this helps keep your Xero account secure.